Ever wondered why birds fly in a V shape? It looks perfect, almost planned. But what's the reason? When a bird flaps its wings, it creates an upward lift in the air behind it. The bird behind rides that lift, using less energy to fly. So flying in a V helps the entire group save energy. They even take turns leading. Because the front bird works the hardest. When it gets tired, another bird takes its place. It's not random. It's teamwork in the sky. Perfect timing, perfect formation. Nature's way of flying smarter, not harder. Did you know this? Comment below, subscribe for more.